Things You Didn't Know. PowerPoint Edition, Part 8. Sometimes you're working in PowerPoint and you want to have the same item replicated but positioned evenly spaced from the one before it. Normally, you do that by moving one of these objects and going by those red helpers. I had a faster solution for you. To start, select all of the items or objects that you want to copy and paste below or next to or wherever you're putting it. I'm going to start by highlighting these squares. Now, I want to create columns of these, so I need to build in additional rows. To do that, after I select all of the objects, I'm going to hit Control D. Now that seems like it did something similar to what copy and paste would do, but it is a little different. After I use Control D, I line up these boxes directly below the ones above it. Now if I want to continue adding rows, all I need to do is continue hitting Control D. And now each row is spaced the same distance from the row above it as I had previously indicated by that second row that I inserted. And that's it. Now you can create really easy grids to work for whatever situation you need them to without needing to do all of that grid line lining up. This is especially useful if you need to create number lines. Normally, you would start by copy and pasting each of these vertical lines and hoping that you got them at the same location, evenly spaced from left to right. But now all you need to do is start with your first one, Control D to get a second one, place it where you'd like your lines to be spaced out, and then just keep hitting Control D. And it will fill in your number line for you with hardly any work. I hope you find this useful.